Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to enhance your brand identity by adding a custom logo to your Wix website? In this video, we will walk you throughout the simple steps to upload and position your logo perfectly, making your site more professional and recognizable. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first, go ahead and open Wix and make sure to join your Wix site. To do that, go to your site and basically click on the site that you have. If you don't have one already, you simply have to go to create new site and you will have to create one ASAP. Now let's click on this one and click after that. They will take us to the dashboard of the site. Then click on edit site from here. Now the logo is basically which is like the brand of your sites. It is basically something that people when they will see it, they will say, oh, this is the brand of someone that I know. I've seen this logo before. So the logo is very essential to be presented in your website, since you're gonna use it both in your header, in case you'd like to, of course, in your footer sometimes, and always in your fav icon. Now, how can we place our logo right here, just like we do here? Now, the logo is basically an image, so you might add it as an element. Go to image right through here and add an image, so you can upload, or basically choose like here image, you can add it, or basically here you can add a custom logo. You can click right here and basically add it. Of course, with this video, we are going to add a custom logo. So make sure that your logo is suitable in its place, because here on the header, once you hover it, you will find out that the header is basically cut or striped into a couple of like parts or something like that, depending on how many parts you have chosen it to be. For example, here I have 2 columns. You could have more by adding multiple columns into your own header. Now let me just remove the one that I have just created. I can't, because they have elements in them. Let me just remove them a little bit, and just like that, I guess I can remove it. Yep, I can remove it just like that. Perfect. So here it is, the logo. So now how can we customize it? Well, simply position it exactly where you want it to be, and then click on it and choose logo design. Here you can design your logo by using either an AI, or you can literally upload a logo from your library. Let's try to get a logo here. So let's say, business do you have? E-commerce, shop. Next, what vibe do you have? Fun. What text do you want it in your logo? Fun store. And what tagline or slogan? Fun with us. And now we just simply have to wait, and our logo will be created within few seconds. So as you can see here, creating logos for us. And as you can see, there will be plenty of logos that will be suggested for us. So you simply have to choose one of them. For example, I would like to go with this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose it. Click on customize. And once I have clicked on customize, they are going to take us to a page where we can customize the whole logo, choose colors, change them, etc. Let's keep them as they are here. Choose save, and now click on save again, and we can download it in case we would like to. And basically, guys, to have this access, or to have access to that, you have to get one of these, basically one of these pricings or plans. So in case you didn't want to have like an AI made logo, then of course you can literally upload one from your library. So you can go to logo design and basically edit logo, and basically upload the logo from your library in this dashboard area. So that's pretty easy, guys, to do. Now let's go back here to templates. So with this logo being here, you can literally here remove the background, edit the image itself, have other shapes inside of the logo, add a lot of things that could be very helpful for you. So these things, you are not really limited to them, but you can do other things within the logo. And yeah, guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. This is how you can create logo and add it to your Wix website. So if you do have any more questions or problems about logos in Wix, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section. I will try to cover all of your questions one by one. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.